Hello guys, good afternoon. I am Aaron James C. Santos, the representative of Group 2. So today we're discussing colligative properties of solutions. So let's go. Definition of colligative properties. Colligative properties are physical properties of solutions that depend on the concentration of solid particles rather than their identity. These properties include boiling point, elevation, freezing point, compression, vapor pressure lowering, and osmotic pressure. So next. So, electrolyte solution. Electrolytes are substances that dissociate into ions when dissolved in a solvent. Example there is sodium chloride. So, this is the next one. Greater impact. The greater number of particles results in a higher boiling point, elevation, and a lower freezing point depression compared to electrolyte solutions at the same molar concentration. Non-electrolyte solutions do not dissociate into ions in solution. Common examples include sugars and alcohols, which remain as salt molecules when dissolved. Lower particle count. Since non-electrolytes contribute only one particle per formula unit, their effect on colligative properties is less pronounced. For example, a 1 molar solution of glucose contributes only 1 molar of particles. Next. Reduced impact. As a result, the changes in boiling point and freezing point are smaller compared to those observed in electrolyte solutions at the same concentration. So now let's discuss the difference between the main difference between electrolyte solution and non-electrolyte solution. So the main difference here is that electrolyte is if we dissolve the example of electrolytes into a solvent, it will break into multiple particles, while the non-electrolyte will only remain one particle. So let's dive in conclusion. In conclusion, colligative properties of electrolyte solution are significantly more pronounced than those of non-electrolyte solutions due to the dissociation of electrolytes into multiple ions, which increases the total concentration of solid particles in the solution. This fundamental difference has important implications in various chemical and biological processes. That's all. Thank you.